see me? Don't know, see nothing at all. Mr. Biggs, can you see me? I'm the video man. I want big kingfish now. Sure yet. Yeah, we're out here trolling from morning, just got a strike. Seems like this one is a kingfish, you know?
Sure yet. Yeah man, kingfish. Let's grab it.
Hold on there, let me...
Big kingfish, man.
That's a nice size kingfish. Yeah, so. Wow. Yeah, good size kingfish. That is it, king. Look no? Yeah, so we just hook up on this kingfish here from morning. That's YouTubers, this is it. Kingfish again. It's kind of windy out here, but not too bad. So that's the seafood man again. Alright, there's the kingfish. Wow. Yeah, there's the king. See? That is the seafood man there. Good size. About 7 pounds. Okay, good. Hey, not bad. Alright. Get back into the action. Yeah, so this is the end of our fishing trip. Didn't catch anything much today, but just a kingfish. But hopefully next week we'll catch some more kingfish and jack. Because that's what we hunt for, really. You know, have some fun and make some money at the same time. The seafood man there, packing up his tools, you know, that are the tools. Look at that. A lot of lures. Yes. All of those catch a big fish. Yeah. Come on. So. And these are the rods. Didn't catch anything much today, just one kingfish. There you go. One kingfish. Sometimes they say this eagle is full to the brim, you know. Look at it now. That is it, that's a nice size. Yeah, good fish. Might as well just eat that one. In here it's so kind of calm still. This isn't the pond. Outside a little windy, but inside here not too bad. Alright now, so here we're preparing the kingfish. We're on the seaside here, you know. This is the seafood man, look. See him there? Yeah. Preparing this fish. It's in the water, right? We'll wash him off.
Make sure all the scales come off.
Why that cat sneaking up on us? Watch him. You see him?
One piece of the fish.
Hey, seafood man. Mind that cat take away the fish, you know. Watch the fish.
He want a piece of the fish, man. Soon give some, man. Don't go too far. Soon give a piece. Alright, watch this.
Alright now, look at him now. This man going to gut this fish in a special way now, look. This man say you measure it. So you measure from there to there. How much inches is that? Oh, it's about 10 inches. Oh, so it's about half of it, 5 inches. Right. So when you cut it like that, what you do? Take out the gut all?
Take out the guts from here.
Oh.
Alright? That's when you slice it, you get a round slice.
Oh.
Right? If you cut it like this, you're not going to get a round slice.
Yeah. The belly going to open up when you're cooking it. Oh, good. Alright, so I'm take out the gill. Alright. Just put that in the cat will eat that one, eat that?
I don't know.
See them right around there. See the cat there, look.
I watch it now, see that?
Alright.
So you come in and push like this.
Alright.
Push like this and push it like this now.
Alright, and you take out. Okay, that is it. But you don't see what happened now. Look at beside the foot there, so. All of your picnic them come.
Alright, do all that.
Actually, look at that. Cats. You saw them fat man? Fat cats. Anyways, back to the seafood, man. Yeah, there they are. Yeah.
That's it.
Oh, so that's it now, right? So that's clean. Oh, yeah. Look at it. Alright, good.
Alright, that's it.
That's it. So you can just wash them off in the bucket there, so now.
Shrimp good, skin good.
Good. Not bad at all.
Not bad, is it?
Yeah, clean. Well, nothing inside here. Yeah. So we're gonna wash them off now. Alright. So you wash them up. There you go.
Right.
So we're gonna, when we reach home now, we slice them up and we cook him. So we're gonna make another video showing you how to cook this one, alright? So see you next time. Good. Seafood man.